I think he's done enough of Bollywood now. So that's why Imran Hashmi is heading towards Hollywood and already making all the noise. So are you ready for Hollywood?
You can never have enough of Bollywood, but yeah, there's always room for Hollywood. So
Imran, what was your first take? I mean, how different do you think it's going to be for you in Hollywood? Because Bollywood movies have a certain pattern. So आपके दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है कि कितना अलग होने वाला है या?
There's no preconceived notion. It's just something I'm excited about. I don't see films that way. I see it as a story. I see it as a great character to play. It could be anywhere, and I'll have the same way of functioning for any industry that it could be.
Along with that, Imran, also supposedly Karan has signed for 2 films. So
Is he? Yeah?
I don't know. You tell me.
I don't know. Is he?
No?
I'm doing Ungli right now.
Not anymore?
We'll find out. We'll make an announcement shortly, whenever that's happening.
You know, SRK is known as the king of romance and everything. And now that you are working with Karan Johar, so it's supposedly 3 films, Ungli being one of them.
3. From 2 there will come 3. Okay, fine.
Okay, maybe 2 films.
Okay.
Whatever.
All right.
And, so now tell me, I mean, maybe Imran Hashmi will now be soon known as the king of romance? Take over it?
I find these tags very frivolous and absurd. The thing is, when the problem is, if someone gets the tag, then people, you can't break that mold. Then you kind of boxed in that. I've played in the confines of that box for a very long time. I'm sure you guys know what I'm talking about. For the past 7 to 8 years, and it was a hard time getting out of it. I don't know if I've completely got out of it. But it's just that you're an actor, and if you kind of just restrict yourself to a particular name or an identity or a mold, then it just kind of restricts you as far as the characters you play.
True enough. There you are. He's not satisfied. He likes being the homewrecker, and that's how Imran Hashmi is, unabashedly, isn't it, Imran?
Yes, true.
Thank you so much. Rudrani Chaturaj with cameraman Kailash. Zoom.